Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable auto backup Google Photos. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Google Photos on the Android device. So when it's open, you have to the top right corner of setting of the profile icon. So when it's open, you will just simply click to the photo settings and there is the backup. You have to just click to the backup and you will have to just find to manage storage. So make sure this is backup icon you will have to just turn it on, so it will be unable to backup your photos on Google. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.